welcome back. Continuing to work on the YUZHEN Fairyland Japanese miniature. Last time we worked on these two little chairs with little white seat cushions. And this time we're going to work on this side table. So we need packet J. It looks like we need J1, 6 J1s, 6 J2s, 3 J3s, 3 J4s. We also need J06 from the same bag and J05 and also N15. Some kind of bead. There's two little wooden beads in here. And they're showing here to put J1 at a right angle with J02, and J02 gets glued on top of J01. Glue J3 on top of J4. Okay, we have our three little stands. And now we need J05 and J06 and N15. So these are glued on the little points of J05 and then glued into the base, which is J06. Gong thingies, and they get glued on top of two of them. Here it says need need 2 pieces with these on. It's cute. And then this is side table number 2. They're calling this side table 2. So we did 3 of these and 2 of them have that on. Now they're telling us to get back into bag J. That would be here. But we also will need this. So in here we need J08 and J07. They're showing J08 and J07. Wish I had a little dish. Okay, so we need J08. Which are these? They look like little jumping reindeers or something. And we need J07, which are these little black hollow boxes. And we need A26-6. They're on this single sheet. They're right here, A26-6. There's 2 of them. So we want to cut them out. And what we need to do is glue J07, the black piece, on top of A26-6, the paper piece. And we need to cut off some of our pretty cherry tree and glue on these peaks. Now, looking here, I see some loose bits in there. So I think I will just try to get those loose bits out and use them. But let's see what kind of bits we can get. Stick the fragments of P01, which is our cherry tree, onto J08. So I've got a bunch of loose little bits here that fell off and some hanging. I'm just gonna pull them off. Wouldn't mind having a little bit of dark stuff, but there's a lot of loose little bits that are dangling and such. And we will be getting more off of here, no doubt, when we do this. So I'm just gonna open it up and a little bit and see what falls off without actually having to rip it off. See, there's more falling out. Here's a little piece of green. I don't think that's supposed to be there. But if we open this up a little bit, that's what I thought. We'd get a bunch of little bits. And I'm sure we're going to want this opened for our board. Now, where I'm going to put it after, I don't know. But I'm thinking that might be more than enough. I'm going to put him back in this big giant bag instead of that littler bag. I've got this left over somehow. I think it was where all the little bags were in. So he'll fit in there perfectly for safekeeping. And we have more than enough little bits here. One of them gets glued on top of here, but I'm going to let them sit for a little bit. Try to clean this up and maybe save it. Because we might need that. I don't know. Save the bigger bits. I'll just pour that back in the bag that had the tree in it. And just hang on to that. Okay, one of these gets glued onto here. I think I'll take this one. That one's really cute. That's adorable. So we did these two little tables with the little gongs on it, and this little table with a little mini cherry tree, and also an extra little mini cherry tree that I imagine we'll use later. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye.